How to use your Samsung television without the remote control. So if your remote control's not working, or maybe you've lost it, then we can actually control the TV just by using the television itself. So in order to do this, we first need to go and locate the button on our Samsung television. Now this is usually located just beneath the Samsung logo, and this should just be one single button, so it's quite easy to find. Now obviously we can go and press this button to turn the TV on and off, and we can also use this same button to go and access our TV settings. Now, because it's only one single button, we are limited to exactly what we can do here, but I'm going to show you how this works anyway. So once your TV is turned on, you can just go and tap this button once to bring up the television settings. You can then keep tapping the button to move across the different television settings. Now, in order to go and select and press an option from the list, then you just need to hold down on this button, and that's the equivalent of pressing OK on your television remote. So those are the two things that you can do. You can tap the button once to move across the different items, and then you can just hold down on the button to select a specific thing. So that's it guys, let me know in the comments if you did find this video helpful, and I'll see you in the next one.